What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be talking about step-by-step how to go at the silver bullet, how to trade the silver bullet strategy. I know sometimes there's a lot of people have been saying they've been struggling with it, the win rate. So we're going to go through and we're going to show you how to utilize it, how to adapt to the market when the market conditions change, and some other areas of liquidity that we can use as magnets and stuff like that. So let's get into it. So what are we looking for? We're looking from 10 to 11 a.m. New York Eastern Standard Time. That is going to be our trading window. Okay. The market opens from 8:30 to 9:30. The true open is 9:30 a.m. New York Eastern Time. So from 9:30 to 10, there's going to be that classic ICT Judas swing, right? There's going to be a run on liquidity, one direction, and then potentially a reversal. Not all the time, but 9 times out of 10. So we're going to be waiting 30 minutes after the open from between 10 to 11. Okay. We're going to be waiting for a sweep of liquidity, or it can be also a continuation depending on how price action delivers it to us. Then we're going to be looking. So we have our buy side liquidity here. If you look, we got swept. Then we're looking for like a failed swing high, right? Kind of this M pattern, failed swing high. And then we're going to be waiting for a shift in market structure, okay? So the low that was created in the failure swing high gets broken with a ton of volume, right? This volume should be so great and pushed down so fast that it creates a gap in the market. So there'll be a fair value gap, okay? Now, what time frame do you want to start to look at fair value gaps? For this strategy, you're going to be starting on the 5-minute. And if you don't see it on the 5-minute, you can drop down all the way to the 30-second, okay? But the 5-minute is going to be your strongest confirmations, all right? So after we get that 5-minute fair value gap, then we're going to be looking to take an entry. You can take it on the right at the edge, or if you want to try to get 50%, I like to just take right at the edge of the fair value gap. Our stop loss will be 5 points and our take profit will be 5 to 10 points. Okay. I like to shoot for 5 points and then I'll trail my stops. And if it runs 10, great. If not, that's fine too. We secure our 5 and we're done. The minimum goal you should shoot for when trying to get consistent at this strategy is going to be 15 points a week. So that's 3 trades at 5 points. Okay. And then you can start to build up your confidence and consistency over time. Right. So let's get into today's example. We are going to hit the replay button here. Okay. So here we have delineated our 10 to 11 a.m. New York Eastern Standard Time. Okay. So here's our rules. This is our hour window, right? We're on the 5-minute. Okay. So from 9:30, we have this huge run up, right? We're just continuing bullish here. Now we're going to play price forward. So we've ran more liquidity. So here's this huge push down, right? So the fair value gap is this 3-candle pattern. Okay. We have this bullish candle, bearish candle, and then another bearish candle. But if you notice between these 3, in between this bearish candle's high wick and this bullish candle's low wick, there's no delivery in here. So this is your fair value gap. Okay. So that's what this box is. You can kind of see a little bit better there. All right. Nice 5-minute gap there. Okay. So we have a nice volume to the downside. So at this point, I'm waiting for price to come back up to enter this trade. Okay. We can see a clear shift in market structure. We break 1 low and 2 lows. You see how we have a swing low here? We have a low, lower low, and a higher low. So each low on this swing is higher than the one in the middle, and the same for this one. So you have 1 and 2 confirmations for a shift in market structure. Okay. We also left that gap open. So at this point, you can set a limit or wait till it comes up. and hit your market execution in the fair value gap. Okay. Like I said, I like to get in on the edge, and we have our 5-point stop. Now you can look on the higher time frames here, like the 15 and we have a 5-minute gap. Now, if you toggle on real trading hours here, regular trading hours, we can see that here overnight we gapped up. Okay. So that's what this gap is. That's what this yellow box is. Okay. This is our opening range gap. So about 45 to 50% of the time, the market's going to want to come down and fill some of this range in. Not always, but it's a good way to look at it as a draw on liquidity. Okay. So let's go back to the 5-minute and replay mode. Okay. So what else am I looking at here? We go back to electronic trading hours. Well, now you guys have seen it a couple times. Okay. So on the 15-minute, we also have this 15-minute fair value gap on the higher time frame. So this lines up 15-minute fair value gap as a draw on liquidity and the opening range as a draw on liquidity. Okay. We also could come down to this 5-minute. Okay. But if you see here, I have TP1 as 5 points, and then your 10 points here, which the 10 points lines up with the 15 and the opening gap range. So there's a good chance for it to go down there. So it does come up, tap us in this morning. If we turn on our executions here, we can see, let's see, will it do it? Settings, executions. Maybe not. Let's see. Executions. Maybe on the 1-minute. Okay, well, anyways, those in my Discord know we did it live this morning. But we'll go off the 5-minute here because this is what we're using. Okay, so we were tapped in here, and then within a couple minutes here, about not even 10 minutes, 5, 10, 15 minutes, we just ran straight through, coming down, filling about almost 50% of this opening range gap, hitting our take profit. Okay, right into the end of that silver bullet window. Okay, so if you're interested in joining the Discord, we did take this live this morning. I have it recorded. It's only $49.99 to get in for a lifetime. Okay, it's such a cheap price for a ton of value. Okay, we go live from Tuesday through Thursday in trading the silver bullet. Okay, we do giveaways. So our next giveaway is going to be 2 10Ks. We have lots of people passing their prop firms in here. Some testimonials in here. People passing their 50K, getting payouts. Okay, so we also have a boot camp, homework, weekly outlooks, live trading. Okay, we also have the silver bullet strategy, advanced concepts, trading psychology, and tons and tons of value in here. So we also do have a boot camp. Okay, so the next boot camp is going to be August 7th. If you want to join up for that, that is every Monday. It's 2 hours long. It's a little bit more of a one-on-one. We go in depth from beginner to advanced. So it is for anyone. But if you want to get into the Discord, it's just $49.99 for a lifetime. And I mean, we have such a great community in here. I mean, everyone's just killing it. You can see. Let's see, this morning we took the sells. You know, this guy making a profit here. So everyone's winning here. So Click the link below. You can join for lifetime. If I refresh this here, I believe we do have the bootcamp if you want to join that. If you do the bootcamp, the Discord is included. So with the bootcamp, you get the bootcamp plus the lifetime membership to the Discord. All right. So with that being said, until next time, guys, don't forget to hit that like, comment, subscribe. And until next time, trade safe.